Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're gonna be looking at Lil Pump. No, we're not. It's one of those Lils. Cut. Today we're gonna be looking at Lil Uzi Vert and him cutting his dreadlocks. So now before we get into this, make sure to go follow the Dreadlocks Instagram page. Go show some love. Make sure to tag at Dreadlocks if you have any cool pictures, and I'll make sure to share it. Show you guys some love. Since we're talking about love, let's talk about LUV, Lil Uzi Vert cutting his dreadlocks. So if we just head over to his Instagram page, you can see the first video that is on here is a video of him appearing to be cutting his dreadlocks. Someone actually tagged me in this and they sent me this video. It's hard telling. Could be fake, could be real. What do you guys think? We'll see. So we cut one, but it's like, what do you guys think? Do you think he cut more? Someone said next he's gonna remove his face tats and get a job. We've seen this before somewhere. Where did we see this before? I'm telling y'all, we don't know what he's gonna be doing. We're not even sure. But let's look at his story and see if he has any images. Oh, he only had one picture. So doesn't look like he has any images of him with his haircut. So yeah, in reality, not even sure. I mean, we could take a look at his old dreadlocks, if they are his old dreadlocks, if he doesn't have them anymore. His dreadlocks were kind of interesting because they seemed super skinny and the roots were pretty thin. And I think that does just come with him dyeing his hair all the time. His hair is definitely like stripped of its pigment and stripped of all of its strength, I feel like, just because of all the stuff that he's put his hair through. But we'll look at his hashtag and see if there's any other images that were leaked. And to tell you the truth, I'm not sure if we're gonna find any because, I mean, we hardly ever see him post anything on social media. So it's hard telling to see if any of that's gonna be leaked. And at the same time, even if he really cut his dreadlocks, so we're all kind of just, unsure at this point. But hey, for the sake of the video, here's a throwback of Wiz Khalifa and his dreadlocks when he started them. I remember when he started his dreads and I was like, yo, this is the dopest dreads ever. So that was dope. Anyway, wait, so here is actually a picture I found on this person's Instagram page. And it shows a picture of Lil Uzi Vert's dreads on a towel. So these are actually dreads that he cut off his head. And it looks like, I'm pretty sure he did cut his hair. Based off that image, I'm positive he cut his hair. Because that must have been on his story somewhere or something like that. And then other than that, there's just a bunch of memes of him with his haircut. We've seen this one. And I don't know, maybe, do you think Lil Uzi Vert actually went like super bald? Or did he just like cut the dreads and then he and now have just like a little fro? We're not sure. I'm not sure, at least. Anyway, we might see more of that in the future. We'll find out definitely pretty soon. And if his dreadlocks are still there, then he's probably one of those people that just cut his hair and then reattach it. Some people actually do that, believe it or not. Lil Pump does that. We saw that in Smoke Perp, and we saw that in Young Thug. We saw this in so many people. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Definitely more videos in the future. And don't forget to go follow Dreadlocks on Instagram and tag Dreadlocks in any of your photos to be featured on the channel or on the page. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.